The notes are 7, right?
Right. A, B, C, D, E, F, and G.
As we know them since the times of the Roman philosopher Boethius.
Ah, right.
Actually, though, there are 5 more notes.
Where?
Well, between A, C, D, F, and G.
Oh yeah, I remember now. We studied them in primary school. They called sharps or flats.
Exactly. They use this symbol for sharp and this for flat.
Got it. So we get A sharp, C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, and G sharp.
That's it.
Why no sharps for B and E?
Good question. But I'll answer it later. And actually, we'll also leave the flats out for now. If you don't mind.
I don't.
Now, in our first lesson, we learned the names of the notes for each string.
Right. Eddie ate dynamite. Goodbye, Eddie. E, A, D, G, B, E. E, A, D, G, B, E.
Good, you started from the top string. So, using the same order, let's get to know all the notes on the first fret. From the E string then.
Okay, so I press 6th string, 1st fret.
There will be an F, because F is equal to E sharp.
Oh, I see. I'll move to the string below, the 5th string, or A, and press the 1st fret.
That is an A sharp.
Then if I press 1st fret on the 4th string,
you get a D sharp, as the open string is a D.
I'm playing a G sharp now, right?
Correct. 3rd string is a G, so that is a G sharp.
And now, on the 2nd string, I find...
That's actually a C. In other words, C is equal to B sharp. Let's do the last one.
Well, it's an F again.
Yes, because the first string is also an E. Let's sum it up. Pressing the strings from the top down on the 1st fret, we'll get
F, A sharp, D sharp, G sharp, C, and F.